In here is my 1950 Cadillac Convertible, ready to be restored over this coming winter, hopefully. The reason is my friend's got a 53 Coupe lead sled and he's getting married in June 2026 and he wants this as the bride's car, so a bit of a deadline. So 18 months to get this as far as possible complete. Car is 99.9% complete, although a lot of it is under the bed and in my loft and in the living room and in one of many sheds. But the car is potentially complete. Still have the original seats, again up the shed. These are Corsa seats, just put in so I can at least drive it around. I have the top and all the chrome pretty much all ready to be done. Now, will it start? Oh, let's find out. Oh, she starts on the button. Sliding a little bit fast as it's now middle of October. It should be running at 375 revs as idle. Probably a little bit more like 400, 450 maybe at the moment. But we'll sort that out. Got just under 83,000 on the clock. I've probably done a little bit more than that because I spent 3 years without a speedo, but probably closer to maybe 85 at the most. And under the bonnet, we have a look. We will see the lovely 331 original engine from 1950. Have a good look at there. Oh, this version includes 3 tin biscuits. Wow, fantastic.